So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the Jio Fiber Wi-Fi name. You can do the process, to do this process you need an application named My Jio. You can download this application from Play Store or Google or App Store in case if you are using an iOS device. You have to download this application. It's a free and very convenient to manage your Wi-Fi. So after downloading it, you need to sign into this application via either your registered number or the fixed line number that has been given to you when you installed your Wi-Fi. Once you download this and sign into and complete the initial steps, and then you open it, it will open something like this. You can see the interface. Once it is opened, you have to click on the option of fiber at the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. Just simply click on this option of fiber. When you click there, you can see you are in the Wi-Fi fiber section of this application. Now in order to change the name, just simply go to the option of my devices at the most below of the screen. At the center you can see, just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see now you are in the Wi-Fi device management settings of your Jio Fiber Wi-Fi, and here you have to scroll down, and in the section of Wi-Fi SSID settings, you can see the name of your Wi-Fi. There are two Wi-Fi, different Wi-Fi's, which is of course the 5 gigahertz and the normal 2.4 gigahertz. Both have different names, so you can change the name of both of them. Just simply click on the Wi-Fi of which you want to change the name. When you click there, you can see when you are inside the Wi-Fi settings, and here you will see an option of edit name just right there. Simply click on this option, and from here you can see you can maximum use up to 32 characters to name your Wi-Fi, and select the name as per your convenience, but it not contain some special characters like this. Once you are done, hit submit and your Wi-Fi password is changed. So by this method you can easily change the Wi-Fi password name of your Jio Fiber Wi-Fi. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.